Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a daunting task for beginners, but with the right knowledge, it can also be an exciting and potentially profitable venture. The first step to investing in cryptocurrency is to choose a reliable and secure exchange platform. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. It is crucial to research and choose a platform that has a good reputation and strong security measures in place to protect your investments. Once you have chosen a platform, you need to decide which cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency, is a popular choice for many beginners. However, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies available, each with its own unique features and potential for growth. Researching and understanding the fundamentals of different cryptocurrencies is vital before making any investment decisions. Next, you will need to create a wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Wallets can be either hardware devices or software applications. Hardware wallets offer a higher level of security as they store your cryptocurrencies offline. On the other hand, software wallets are more convenient and accessible. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, it is important to develop a strategy. Determine how much you are willing to invest and set realistic expectations for returns. Investing in cryptocurrency is inherently risky and prices can be volatile. It is crucial to diversify your portfolio and not invest all your money in one cryptocurrency. Staying informed about the latest trends and news in the cryptocurrency market is essential. Joining online communities, following reputable sources, and staying updated on market movements will help you make informed investment decisions. Lastly, remember to practice patience and not let emotions drive your investment choices. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly unpredictable, and it is important to take a long-term approach to investing. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a thrilling and potentially profitable journey. By following these beginner-friendly steps and doing thorough research, you can start your cryptocurrency investment journey with confidence.